left, she took the sun. Now my days and nights are one. I tried to smile, I tried to hide, but the hurt won't leave my side. Oh, the nights, they cut so deep. Lonely shadows still my sleep. I'm lost in this endless ache. Repressed the heart I cannot fake. Cannot fake. Friends surround me, laughter flows, but it's a mask that no one knows. Inside me a storm resides, her memory's tide won't subside. Friends surround me, laughter flows, but it's a mask that no one knows. Inside me a storm resides, her memory's tide won't subside. Oh, the nights, they cut so deep. The nights so deep. Lonely shadows steal my sleep. The sorrow's mine, a scar so true. I'm lost in this endless ache. A ghost or heart I can't refake. I can't resist. Every song reminds me still of dreams we chased but couldn't fulfill. I walk these streets her ghosts embrace, searching for her in every place. Time may pass but wounds don't heal. A shattered love so raw, so real. In her absence I'm adrift, caught in memories I can't resist. Every corner holds her face, haunted by what I can't replace. And though they try to pull me through, this sorrow's mine, a scar so true. When she left, she took my soul. Now I'm stranded.